Hi students, from my previous video you have learned prime numbers as well as composite numbers. In this video we are going to study factor tree. It is a tree but it can be applied only for small numbers. So I am going to take some small numbers to explain it. It's very easy and you know prime numbers and composite numbers. In this, the given number will be a composite number and we are going to split it into prime numbers. Product of prime numbers. Okay, I am going to take the number 12 and we know that 12 is a composite number. We can split it as 4 into 3. And we know that 4 is a composite number and 3 is a prime number. See, we are coloring the prime numbers and we are splitting the composite numbers again to make prime numbers. And we know that 4 is a prime number and 4 we can split it as 2 into 2. And both 2 and 2 are prime numbers, so we can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. And here I am going to do the same question in another way. Or 12 we can write it as 2 6 are 12. And 2 is a prime number, that part we have shaded. And 6 is a composite number, that 6 we can split it as 2 into 3. Both 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So, we can write it as 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Look at that. Same number in different way I have made factor tree. Here 2 times 2 and 1 times 3 has come after splitting. In both cases. That means we can split in any way but the answer will be same. And this method is called prime factorization. That means the given composite number we have to split it into product of prime numbers. 2 and 3 are prime numbers and we know that 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. And 2 into 2 into 3 is called the prime factorization. So prime factorization is every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime factors. Here, factor tree can be applied only for small numbers. So, if the number is little bit big, how to do prime factorization? That only I am going to explain. See, here I took 24. 24 also we can do factor tree, but here I am going to explain prime factorization, the long division method also. See 24. Look at the ones place. It is 4. 4 is even. So we know that any even number is a multiple of 2. So here I am going to divide with 2. And we know that 2 by 2 is 1 and 4 by 2 is 2 or 24 by 2 is 12. Next 12 divided by 2 because 12 is also even number. So it can be divided with 2 and we know that 12 equal to 2 by 2 into 6 and 6 is also an even number. We can divide with 2. So answer is 3. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. It is the prime factorization of 24. Here all the numbers are prime numbers. 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 are prime numbers and 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Moving to the next example. 84. 84 is also an even number because ones place is 4. We can divide 84 with 2. 8 by 2 is 4 and 4 by 2 is 2. Again 42 is an even number, so we can divide with 2. 4 by 2 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. 21 is not an even number, so we cannot divide with 2, and we know that is in the table of 3. So we can divide with 3. 3 sevens are 21. And 7 is a prime number. So here we can stop. So 84 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Moving to the next example, 56. 56 also even number because ones place is 6. 6 is an even number. So we can divide with 2. First we have to do 5 by 2. We know that 2 2s are 4. But remainder is there. 1 is the remainder. That we have to write in between 5 and 6. And consider the next number as 16. And 16 by 2 is 8. So, again 28 comes. 28 is an even number. We can divide with 2. Here 2 by 2 is 1 and 8 by 2 is 4. And 14 is even number. So we can divide with 2. We know that 2 sevens are 14. 7 is a prime number. So we have to stop there. And 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So it is the prime factorization of 56. Next number 104. 104 is also an even number. First I took simple numbers, even numbers. Then we will do odd numbers also. 104 we can divide with 2. And 1 by 2 is not possible. So we have to take 10. 1 and 0, first two numbers together. 10 by 2 is 5. This is like a normal division only. But we are not doing the normal division. It will take time. So it is the easiest method. 10 by 2 is 5. No remainder. 4 by 2 is 2. 52 is an even number. So again we can divide with 2. And 5 by 2 is 2 and remainder 1. I am using different color for remainders. You can easily understand and take the next number as 12. I have already marked that number, 12. 12 by 2 is 6. And 26 is an even number. We can divide with 2. 2 by 2 is 1 and 6 by 2 is 3. And we know that 13 is a prime number. So we have to stop there, and 104 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. That is the prime factorization of 104. Next one, 980. Here it is an even number. We can take 2. And look at the ones place. It is 0. We can take 5 also. So both I will show. Here first I am taking 2 because it is an even number, and 9 by 2 is, we know that 2 4s are 8. So remainder is 1. So 9 by 2 is 4 and remainder is 1. Next number is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. And we know that 0 by 2 is not possible. Or 0 by 2 is 0. 490, again it is even number. So we can divide with 2. We know that 4 by 2 is 2 and 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is 4 and remainder 1. Next number is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Divide to 45 with 5 only because ones place is 5. We can divide with 5 only. It is not an even number. Here 24 by 5. 2 by 5 is not possible. So we have to take the first two numbers 2 and 4 together. That means 24. 24 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 4. And next number is 45. And 45 by 5 is 9. 9 5s are 45. And 49. In which table we can find out 49? In 7's table we can find out 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 is a prime number. So we have to stop there, and 980 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. We have to take the prime numbers only for dividing. That's the main thing. And write the remainders and take the next number as 2-digit number and continue the step till we get the prime number. The same 980 I am going to divide with 5 because ones place is 0. It is divisible by 5 also. 9 by 5 is 1. 1 5s are 5 and the remainder is 4. Take the next number as 48. 48 by 5 is 9. 9 5s are 45. Remainder is 3. Next number is 30. 30 by 5 is 6. We got 196. It is an even number, so we can divide with 2. And we know that 1 by 2 is not possible. So take 19. First two numbers together, that is 19. 19 by 2 is 9. 9 2s are 18. So remainder is 1. Next number is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. And 98 is an even number, so we have to divide with 2. 9 by 2 is 4. Remainder is 1. 18 by 2 is 9. Here also 49 comes. That means 7 7s are 49. See, look at the answer. 1 times 5 comes 2 times 2 and 2 times 7. Order is not an important thing. We will get the same numbers. How many times it has come, that same number of times will come. We can do any way, any prime number we can select for dividing, but the same prime factorization we will get. Order is not an important thing because it is multiplication, product of prime factors, and multiplication is commutative. So we can arrange in any order, and prime factorization of a number is unique. Hope you would have understand the concept.